Welcome back. In our last lesson, we drew the transformed figure, given the figure and a reflection over an axis, the origin, or the line y equals x. In this lesson, and on your practice on Delta Math, we're going to draw a reflection of a given geometric figure over a given line. For example 1, your given triangle XYZ, it's shown in the diagram below, and it's reflected over the line x equals 2. And they want you to state the coordinates of the new triangle x prime, y prime, z prime, the image of triangle XYZ. So I'm going to try and show you how to do this using Geometra's Sketchpad. So here we have triangle XYZ, and the first thing that we should do is we should draw in the line for y equals 2. Okay, so there's the line y equals 2, and now we want to reflect triangle XYZ over this line. So what we can notice is that point X is 1, 2, 3 units to the left of the line. So we can plot point X 3 units over to the right. So there's x prime. We can do the same thing for y. So when I reflect this over, this point is 2 units away from the line y equals 2, 2 units to the left, so I'm going to move it to 2 units to the right. I'm going to do the same thing for z. Z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the left, so we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right. And there we can see is the reflection of triangle XYZ. So again, here is our solution. We had the original triangle. We sketched in the line x equals 2, which is a vertical line with the x-intercept of 2. We reflected the original triangle over this line. We have our new coordinates. X prime is 5, 1, y prime 4, 4, and z is 7, 4. For our second example, we were given A, B, C, D, shown in the diagram below, and we want to reflect it over the line y equals -4. So again, we're going to take a look at this using Geometra's Sketchpad. Okay, so here we have our image, and the first thing we want to do is to graph the line of reflection. So for this one, our line of reflection is y equals -4. So I'm going to graph the y equals -4. Okay, so here's our line, y equals -4. So if you notice, point A is 2 units above the line, so when we reflect it over the line, it's going to be 2 units below the line. I'm going to do the same thing for point B, which is 1, 2, 3 units above the line. So 1, 2, 3 units below the line is where its reflected point is. And C is 2 units above the line, so we need to plot it 2 units below the line. So if you notice, when we were reflecting it over these points, our x-coordinate is not changing, just our y-coordinate is changing. Okay, and the point D is not going to change because it's actually on the line y equals -4. So here is our new image. So we have our coordinates here. A is -7, -6. B is -2, -7. C is -3, -6. And D did not change. It is still located at -2, -4. So that's it for today's lesson. Remember, I'm available daily from 2:30 to 3 on the video lessons. I try to send out a reminder for you if you check your feed for math. Come join me if you're struggling, if you have any questions with any of the problems that we're going over. Hope everyone is doing well, staying healthy, not going too stir crazy. I look forward to talking and hearing from all of you soon. Stay positive.